Oh, snap. Nicki Minaj taking that SAT should take a look at this question, but no, does she do? Is that Nicki Minaj? Oh no, it's Cardi B. Cardi B be like, I don't know what to do here. Oh, who are you talking to, player? I'll hit you with my tennis shoe. All right, let's take a look. Question number 18. This would be considered a hard question, and most students would be a little confused. Now, some students are going to be saying, "Oh, should I put this in Desmos?" You can put this in Desmos. You put this in Desmos, but then it's going to show you two intersecting lines. You still going to be confused. There's the right time to use Desmos, wrong time to use Desmos. I think up to this point, there was no need to touch Desmos at all. Students always ask me, Mr. Alberto, when you take the test, how often do you use the Desmos? Out of both sections of the math, for any SAT, maybe up to 6 times just to verify answers, and maybe it saves me some trouble, like with circle questions. But we'll leave that when we run into those type of questions. In this case, would I use the Desmos? Heck no, for show, for show. They're asking, what is 39x? Now, these guys were nice enough to stack our values directly on top of one another. The y's are on top of y's, x on top of x's, and then you just have your numbers on top of each other. Now, I'm going to the problem with whom? I'm going to the problem with 39x. So that means y's got to get kicked to the curve. So if I draw this line underneath the two equations and I want to get rid of my y's, notice it's a 3y and negative 3y. To get rid of them, I would add. I wouldn't subtract. Sometimes you'll have to subtract. Sometimes you got to add. In this case, we got to add because we're getting rid of y. Y can't go with this. The problem, we're going with x. So what is 3y plus a negative 3y? It's going to cancel out. That'll be 0. What is 4x plus 9x? That'll be 13x. What's a positive 17 plus a negative 23? That's going to be a negative 6. Now, if I took 0 equals 13x minus 6, and I added 6 to both sides, that'd be 13x equals 6. But the question is asking me not to solve for x, it's asking me what is 39x. What if I took that 39x and stuck it underneath 13x? Do you notice that there is a 1 to 3 ratio? That means your answer must also have a 1 to 3 ratio. So what? 6 times 3? 6 times 3 is 18, and that's your answer.